Hi guys, it's Ilene here and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you've been here before, thank you for coming back. Today I have for you a really fun DIY using Dollar Tree items. I'm going to show you how to make these adorable flip-flops and this adorable tote beach bag with using Dollar Tree items. But first, I want to ask you to please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, comment down below on how I did, what you felt you liked most about these DIYs. Let me know if you're going to try it at home. And don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified of all my future uploads to come. For $2, I'm going to make a really fun pair of flip-flops. So let's get into this. A pair of flip-flops, some ribbon. I only used one thing of ribbon, and your glue gun. I'm going to link everything down in the description below. So you want to have 4 of these 6-inch pieces and 2 about 2-inch pieces. Those are for your bow. And then you're going to divide the rest in half and in half again. So you have 4 more larger pieces of ribbon, 2 for each flip-flop. Basically, you're going to just put some hot glue on the end and start wrapping and wrapping and wrapping your ribbon until you get it to the desired spot on your flip-flop that you desire. At the end, I cut it into a point. And what I'm going to do is just burn the edges of the ribbon real slightly just to keep it from fraying. To make the bow now, you're going to fold your 6-inch piece in half. Then you're going to get that little crease and you're going to apply just a little bit of hot glue on each side or in between that crease. And then you're going to fold in to the crease each end and press down. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other 6-inch piece. So that's folded in half. Put glue alongside of the crease. Hold the ends of your ribbon up to that crease. Press down. The next thing you're going to do is take this piece and slightly pinch it up, like holding it. It kind of looked like a bow tie in a way. First, you're going to put a little dab of glue in here to hold that pinch. Put a dab of glue in the middle. Sometimes you just have to like poke in this part of your bow just to get that exact shape you want. And once they're glued, you're going to glue now one on top of the other. You usually would use a smaller, thinner piece around the middle of your bow. So I am just going to fold this in half, like that, so that it still matches. So I'm just going to glue this down now to make it smaller. So you get your crease so you know where to put your glue. So now we're going to basically take this bow and we are going to glue this piece around it. So there you have your bow, and now you just glue it with a generous amount of hot glue onto your flip-flop. For the beach bag, all you need is, I picked up these rag rugs and I'm going to use 2 of these to create this bag. This is going to be, for me, a beach bag. It could be a tote, it could be a pocketbook, it could be a supermarket bag, it could be whatever you want it to be. A dog leash, and I've already taken it apart where the metals were attached for the leash part. So So I've already taken this apart and I'm going to use this for my straps. So for $3, I'm gonna make a bag. First step I'm gonna do is attach my straps. So I'm using this Dog Leash, so I'm going to just cut it in half so I have two handles. After you cut your leash, if you're using that as your strap, you're gonna just heat seal it in with a lighter. And that's it. That will keep it from fraying and getting all messy. So when I sewed the straps on, I sewed a box all around, and I did this in the zigzag stitch because this was the most sturdy way I thought to attach the straps. So because I've never done this before, we have to move on to a plan B at this point. These two rugs will not fit through your sewing machine at all. So instead what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my E6000, I'm gonna use this heavy duty glue, I'm gonna place some heavy books down on top of my rug and let it sit for, I guess 24 hours basically. So we will be back tomorrow and see how the finished bag came out. So I have transformed 2 rag rugs and a leash into this bag. It is all done. It works real well. It looks fashionable. And it cost only $3. I hope you guys enjoyed these DIYs. I had so much fun creating them and showing you guys how to do it. If you guys try this at home, I would love to see your pictures. You can send them to me on Instagram or Facebook. And please guys, comment down below. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified of all my future uploads to come. I'll be seeing you real soon. Bye.